my name is Caroline Wamboi and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. So allow me to start this video by just doing a weekly restock, which I did in 2 days. Then thereafter we are going to do some batch cooking for the weekend. It has been long. I hope you have been well. I'm back and ready to bring videos back to back.
No miracle, it's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle, it's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours.
So this is what I got from this week's restock, and kiwi for my baby, that is shoe polish, some soap, and I said this soap is clean so well, and this one is only 80 shillings, and it's how many grams? Let us see. Maybe 500. I can't see the grams, but it's quite affordable. A few packets of milk, about 6 packets, some fermented milk, some tomatoes, and they are very expensive. These ones are for 50 shillings, the 5 pieces. One is going at 10 shillings. I also got some pixies, and these ones were 3 at 20 shillings. Some bananas, 1 at 5 shillings. Some cooking oil, I got a liter at 250 something shillings, I can't remember. And I also got this ugali unga. I can't remember the exact price, but it was affordable. I also got these mandazis for my baby, and finally I got some peas, and peas is really cheap right now. Imagine these 2 kgs, I got them at 70 shillings. Yes, peas that was going at 250 per 2 kgs. Right now, this is a 2 kg kasuku, and I got it at 70 shillings. So that is everything I've got, and it's just a restock. Nowadays, I don't do like a monthly shopping. I have just been restocking weekly whenever I have got the money. Yeah, the economy is so tough, and hence unajipata tu you just get small items at a time. Yeah, so that's what I got.
So this was actually the next day, which was Saturday. My brother had gone to the market and he brought us a few items, and lucky enough, this is what I needed for my batch cooking, so it really came at the right time. I'm going to tag you along as I do the cooking.
Die out too hard, but we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
I want to tag you along as I do some batch cooking for the weekend, and I'll be preparing a few items. So the first thing is peas stew, and the peas is here with me. I'll also be preparing some pilau, and maybe some chapatis and some chicken. And this is what I have. This is ginger garlic paste. The paste is here. Onions, coriander there. Then I have the carrots, courgette, and the capsicum here. Then I have my blended tomatoes here. And here is some meat for cooking pilau. And here is my already boiled chicken, and it's kienyeji. So let me start, or let's do the cooking. I'll start with the pilau so that my baby can be feeding because it's already night. Then the rest of the things we are going to cook together with you. So I want to just cook everything because I have a busy day tomorrow. Yeah, that's why I want to just cook everything for us to eat over the whole weekend.
But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my funland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Allow me to welcome all the new subscribers. In case you are watching me for the first time, feel very welcome. We love visitors. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be among the first to see. I also want to thank my Premier Gang and my returnees. Thank you so much for always finding the time to just come and support me. I don't take it for granted. May God bless you abundantly. So I started off by cooking pilau because I thought that is what will cook really fast, and yeah, that's what I started off with. Then I also did the peas stew, and also I fried the chicken, but unfortunately I was not able to cook the pilau because I was already tired. Not the pilau, sorry, the chapatis. So I had to wake up and do them the following morning early, very early in the morning before I started off my busy day.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival, I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold
So for the pilau, I only use pilau masala, but I want to try mixed spices. Jerusha Mombo had advised us to try the mixed spices, and I'm going to do that very, very soon because I didn't have any at the moment. I'm not a spice person, but I wish to explore. But one of the main reason why I don't do so many spices, it's because of my baby. But at least when I'm doing pilau, I either do some white rice or there's usually something else that she can eat. So that day I'll be trying the mixed spices. I don't think I'm going to give her that pilau. Yeah, but I'm going to try it very, very soon and I will come here with the results.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
So that was the outcome, and let me say that batch cooking is such a lifesaver because yeah, I did my work the following day without so many disruptions of having to cook and everything else. So I said I was not able to cook the chapatis. I actually did it the following morning, and yeah, and I really lost a big part of the clip because I don't know what happened when I was setting the camera. It's like I did it on landscape. Actually, I had to zoom this one in. I think I was absent-minded as I was doing the setting, but anyway, uh, just watch it as it is. I just got a small snippet of everything. So in case you have watched up to this point, allow me to thank you. May God bless you. May God bless you abundantly. I don't take it for granted, just sacrificing your 20 minutes or 25 or even 15 minutes to just come and see what I have done or what I've prepared for you. May God bless you for the sacrifice.